brand new project that is being built in downtown Nashville, and it's called Fifth and Broadway, Nashville. And it's in an area that used to be the home of the original convention center for Nashville, and when it moved, we took over that entire block to build a mixed-use property that will include retail and dining and apartments and office, and the country's first and only National Museum of African American Music. We're very excited about that component to the project. And it's under construction now. It will be opening next fall in September. The museum may open a little bit earlier than that. And another component for the culinary fans out there is that we will have an incredible food hall called the Assembly Food Hall, and it will have 30 stalls that will be curated by one individual, and including the 30 stalls will be a rooftop terrace. So when you have done Broadway and all the honky-tonk bars, and you feel like a little bit of peace and quiet, you can go right across the street to Fifth and Broadway, Nashville, go upstairs out to this rooftop terrace and be able to watch everything going on Broadway while you're having your own little bit quieter of a meal and cocktail.